Okay, so here we are with the calculator, the Ti-34 calculator. With here, you can see your fraction bar and your simplify button. Also, I have a worksheet, so I'm also going to use examples from here to show you. So we're going to try the first fraction, and it's 6/12ths. So on your calculator, first you got to turn it on, right? Turn it on. So my calculator right there. I am going to clear the screen right now. There we go. So we are going to 6. Then we go to our fraction. Right here it says the n over the d. We are going to press our fraction. We already have 6 as our numerator. And our denominator is 12. So we're going to press 12. Always make sure you use the arrow key to move the cursor so it goes all the way on the other side. If you do not do that, I'm going to show you what will happen, but let's do this first. Then after we do that, then here we go. We're going to the simplify button. The simplify button on your calculator is SIMP, right? That's the third button from the second, right? We're going to go ahead and we're going to press on the simplify button. Then we're going to come down to enter. Then you're going to enter. All right, you get 6/12 is equivalent to 3/6. So we could simplify that further. We could simplify that to its simplest term. So we're going to press enter. Then we're going to go back to simplify. We're going to press simplify. And then we're going to press enter again. So now we know that 6/12 is equivalent to a half. Don't trust the calculator? Let's do some simplification. Let's try. Here we go. So on the worksheet, we have 6/12. So let's find some factors of 6 and the same for 12. Let's say we try 2. So if we divide 6 by 2, we also have to divide the denominator by 2. So how many groups of 2 are in 6? That's 3. Don't forget to put your division line. And how many groups of 2 in 12? We know that's 6. We could check. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 6 is 12. Now 3/6 is not in the simplest form as we saw it on our calculator. So we have to simplify one more step. So what's the factor? We could use 3. So again, we divide the numerator by 3 and then the denominator by 3. How many groups of 3 is in 3? 1. How many groups of 3 in 6? 2. Again, don't forget to put your dividing line. And again, we see that when we simplify 6/12 in the simplest form, we get a half on paper. See how many steps I have to go through? Now, if is that you're using a child and they know your timetable, they could have just easily used the 6, right? And divided evenly and they would get a half. So now let's go back to our calculator and we are going to clear this out. We're going to do one more calculations, right? Let's try 18. Go back to your fraction bar, divided by 30. So we are going to simplify 18 over 30. Guys, when I said over, is not the correct mathematical way to say it. Sometimes I use child-friendly. When I'm tutoring, I use child-friendly words in order for whoever I'm tutoring to understand. And then we will go back to the mathematical word. So 18 over 30, then you press your arrow back right there. Make sure this is not under or over, or else you'll get an arrow. So you just go there. Then after that, we're going to our simplify button. We're going to click on our simplify button, and then we are going to click enter. So we get 9 over 15. 9/15 can be simplified. And say you're not sure if 9/15 can be simplified to its lowest term, you can always go back and press the enter and then press simplify and enter again, and you get 3/5. Then you see it, we can't do it. So let's try that one more time and see if we're done. Okay, so we're going to press enter, then we're going to press on simplify again, and then we're going to do enter. So we see that 3/5 is the lowest term that we can go here on this calculator when we simplify a fraction. Okay, let's see what happened if we let's do the same. 18 divided by 30, or 18/30. Let's see what happened if we leave the mark right there. Let's press enter and see what happened. We have the same thing. So the arrow mark, when you do that, that arrow mark tells you that it needs to be simplified. So if you do not press the simplify button and you keep pressing enter, no many times you keep pressing enter, you're still going to have 18/30, right? So if you just go ahead now and press the simplify button, there we go. So you must always remember you have to press the simplify button, or you will not be able to, the calculator will not be able to simplify. You tell the calculator what you want, and then you'll have it done. You could go ahead, and if you have a Ti-34 multi-view and you want to do some fractions, here is a worksheet with some fractions. You could go ahead and you could simplify these fractions. Until next time, I thank you guys for watching my channel. Bye.